Hey guys, it's Darlene here from Accounting Made Simple. This is part of a series of quick tips and short lessons to help literally anyone understand accounting basics. Hope you enjoy it. So we've been learning that when you look at the bank account, when money's coming in the account, it's a debit, and when money is going out of the account, it's a credit. We also learnt from our last lesson that if you look at the money side of the entry first and you work out whether the money side is a debit or a credit, the other entry will always be opposite. Sometimes it can be confusing learning debits and credits because when we get our own personal bank statement or our business bank statement, when money goes into our account, it's a credit, and when money goes out, it's a debit. So it sounds like it's opposite to what we've been teaching about debits and credits. But the important thing is you actually have to look at it from the bank's point of view, not your point of view, the customer. Here's an example bank statement. We can see 3 lots of salary going in for $1,000 on the credit side. We can see a rent payment, insurance, electricity, and internet, just as examples. In the top section here, we can see the accounting entries from the bank's perspective. From the bank's perspective, they have $1,000 of cash that's come in to their bank. It's a debit. What's the other side of the entry for the bank? It's creditors, because the bank actually owes us that $1,000. The bottom section shows the accounting entries from our perspective. Here you can see you've got your bank account as a credit. Just like in your bank statement, the $1,000 coming in to your bank is shown as a credit. What's the other side of the entry for us? It's actually debtors, because the bank owes us that $1,000. I've made these entries of debtors and creditors as a light grey because you don't normally see or even think about those two sides of the entry, so they kind of cancel each other out. So when you take away the two grey sections, which was the debtor and the creditor, you're just left with the two bank entries. The left-hand side shows the bank account from the bank's point of view. The bank has $1,000 in their account. It's a debit. From our perspective, it's a credit. In the bank's books, the money going into our account is a credit to our account and a debit to theirs. That's all for today. We'll see you next time. Bye.